The adults-only, all-inclusive experience at Riu Montego Bay covers far more than just meals and drinks, and that's exactly why rooms sell out fast. Your nightly rate includes full access to 5 large pools, a water park with slides, non-motorized water sports like kayaking and windsurfing, daily beach and poolside entertainment, and all meals and beverages across the property. You'll have access to 4 themed restaurants, a buffet with live cooking stations, a coffee shop, a swim-up bar, and 4 additional bars, including a 24-hour lobby lounge. Premium brand alcohol is included by default. No tiered system, no upgrade necessary. Breakfast is served buffet-style daily from 7 to 10:30 a.m., and snacks and drinks are available around the clock. Wi-Fi, beach loungers, daily activities, and evening shows are also part of the package. The only typical extras are spa treatments or off-site excursions. Everything else is bundled into the flat rate, making this one of Jamaica's most consistently booked resorts for fast, worry-free vacations. Keep watching for more details or secure your stay now, and save a massive 54% for a limited time only via the Expedia booking link below. I've included the trip.com booking link as a backup if your preferred dates aren't available. Riu Montego Bay sits right on Montego Bay, just a 7-minute drive from Sangster International Airport. That means no long transfer times, so you'll be checking in with a cocktail in hand before you know it. The hotel is part of the larger Riu complex in Iron Shore, with direct beachfront access and sweeping views of the Caribbean Sea. You're also within walking distance of local shops at Witter Village and Blue Diamond Shopping Center. While the resort feels secluded enough for relaxation, it's only a 10-minute drive to Montego Bay's top attractions like Doctor's Cave Beach, the Hip Strip, and Coral Cliff. If you're planning to explore outside the resort, the location is unbeatable. Shuttles are available with some booking packages, and taxis are easy to arrange from the front desk for excursions to Rose Hall, Montego Bay Convention Center, or rafting tours nearby. When you take advantage of my 54% discount link below, you can secure the standard double room for $197 per person per night based on double occupancy. You'll get either a king bed or 2 doubles, with 312 square feet of space and a private balcony. The design is clean and tropical, and although furnishings are fairly simple, the room includes eco-friendly toiletries, a free minibar, in-room safe, and daily housekeeping. If you're after more tranquility, the Garden View upgrade costs roughly the same, $203 per person per night, but swaps the resort bustle for greenery views, which can make a big difference if you're staying multiple nights. And for those wanting direct sea vistas, the oceanfront double delivers just that, with a higher vantage and unobstructed views across the bay. It typically costs about $238 per person per night and ranks among the highest-rated rooms on the property. The amenities at Riu Montego Bay are built for adults who want to unwind without overthinking anything. You've got 5 outdoor pools to choose from, each with a different vibe, whether you're lounging in the quiet relaxation pool or grabbing a cocktail at the swim-up bar. Loungers and umbrellas are always included, so you won't be paying extra just to stay comfortable by the water. For wellness, there's a full-service Renova spa offering massages and treatments for an additional cost, plus a gym that's fully equipped and free to use. Beach towels are included with no deposit system, and there's direct access to the long, walkable beach with free loungers and shaded areas. Guests also have access to the on-site water park, Splash Water World, which includes adult-friendly slides and is just a short walk from the main pool area. Small but thoughtful extras round out the experience. There's a 24-hour lounge stocked with snacks and self-serve drinks for late-night cravings, free parking for guests arriving by car, and shuttle access to nearby Riu properties like Riu Palace, Jamaica if you want to explore without hassle. Entertainment at Riu Montego Bay is designed for adults who want more than just a poolside drink. Daily activities run from morning aqua fitness to afternoon beach volleyball and dance lessons. But the real standout here is the Riu Party Zone, an open-air venue exclusive to adults-only properties in the area. Expect themed parties like white, neon, and jungle, with live DJs, costumes, and full production lighting several nights a week. It feels like a Caribbean festival without the entry fee. For something more relaxed, there's nightly live music, steel drum performances, and a beachfront stage with rotating shows. The on-site nightclub, Pacha, opens late and is included in the package, so you can finish the night dancing without ever leaving the resort. Whether you're into high-energy nights or low-key evenings by the sea, the entertainment here adapts to your pace. Food at Riu Montego Bay strikes a balance between variety and convenience. The main buffet, Rose Hall, serves international dishes with rotating nightly themes. Expect jerk chicken one night and Mediterranean lamb the next. Breakfasts are a highlight with made-to-order omelets, fresh tropical fruit, and strong Jamaican coffee. For a la carte dining, there's a beachfront steakhouse, an Asian fusion spot, and an Italian restaurant, all included and all first come, first served. That means no dress code stress or pre-planning needed. Between mealtimes, you'll still find snacks like jerk wraps, patties, and fruit smoothies available at the grill stations near the pools. Premium alcohol is part of the package, and bars are spread throughout the resort, one even built into the water for swim-up service. If you're the type who wants amazing food without having to plan every detail, this setup keeps things simple and reliable. Before booking, there are a few things worth knowing. First, this is an adults-only resort, but it's not quiet or romantic in the traditional sense. It's lively, social, and often loud. If you're seeking a peaceful, spa-style retreat, the vibe here might feel overwhelming. The beach, while private and clean, has calm, shallow water that's great for floating or wading, but not ideal for snorkeling or wave lovers. Room upgrades offer better views, but the interiors across categories are nearly identical, so you're paying more for scenery than for space or added comfort. What sets this resort apart is how much is truly bundled into the base rate. Unlike many other Montego Bay adults-only properties, where access to nightlife, themed events, or water activities often comes with a price tag, Riu Montego Bay keeps those perks included from the start. The resort credit offered per stay adds flexibility, whether you're planning a spa day or an off-site tour, without requiring guests to prepay extras up front. You also don't need to worry about transport between locations or activities spread across a large campus. Everything is within easy walking distance, including the restaurants, pools, party zone, and beach. That compact layout adds value for travelers who want full resort access without wasting time in transit or fighting for spots. Overall, it's one of the few properties in this price tier that balances non-stop energy with practical inclusions. For adults looking to maximize entertainment and beach time without budgeting for add-ons, it over-delivers in both pace and price. This resort is ideal for adults who thrive in a social, upbeat atmosphere where the fun never really stops. Whether you're planning a friend trip, celebrating something big, or just looking for a sunny escape where the details are already handled, Riu Montego Bay offers an effortless formula: music, drinks, pools, food, and beachfront access, all in one place. It's especially suited to travelers in their 20s to 50s who value convenience over custom luxury and prefer an all-in-one resort feel rather than venturing out every day. Solo travelers will also appreciate the group-friendly layout and easy chances to meet people. If you're more interested in quiet mornings and romantic seclusion, this likely isn't your match. But for anyone craving warm nights, upbeat crowds, and zero guesswork, it's one of Jamaica's most reliable picks. Secure your 54% discount using my link below before the deal expires.